Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI 15T. In this video I'll show you how to transfer files. If you want to transfer your files to cloud, you can simply go to settings and go to XIAOMI account or Google. Find backup and backup now. This will backup your photos, videos and other device data. You can also determine which data should be backed up. Unfortunately, this smartphone does not support SD cards, so you can't transfer files to SD card. But it has USB-C charging port. To the USB-C charging port, you can connect external USB device like USB stick. If you want to transfer files to USB stick, simply go to Files app, Continue. Now select file you would like to transfer and select Move to. Now right here you should be able to select external device instead of internal storage, and then simply select folder to transfer it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.